Alright guys, I'm gonna do a cold start video. It's about 65 degrees out. Truck hasn't been started in probably 2 days. Runs very smooth. A little low idle because she's cold and I don't have the choke on, but runs very smooth. Might as well go ahead and do a walk around while we're at it. This is a custom FJ43 hard top. This is a custom top made out of steel, made identical to the factory specs. You would never be able to tell this top apart. It has a hung headliner, as professional as it gets. Very clean look. Even the ambulance doors are custom made, everything. Toyota factory stamping on all the new glass. Excellent running truck. This top is removable. It's obviously heavier than factory because it is all steel, but it still can be removed.